Good evening everyone. In my video you can get different ideas for your small space garden. Hope you guys like my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. And give your reviews at the comment section below and tell me which idea do you like most. I am giving you the idea for the small space garden. There are many ways to garden in restricted spaces. Often, a small or limited space is an issue in growing and cultivating plants. Restricted space gardens can be located on small lawns, balconies, patios, porches, rooftops, inside the home, or in any other available places. Gardening is in small space can be applied to edible or floral plants. Growing food has many benefits including saving money, healthier, fresher and better tasting food, knowledge of pesticides and fertilizer exposure. Gardening is a good form of exercise and has been proven to be therapeutic. Hope you guys get different ideas for the small space garden. You can use containers or bucket gardening when you have less space, and also use tower gardening as you can see in my video. Indoor gardening at the less space and the container gardening at the less space. Containers or bucket gardening involves growing plants in some type of containers, whether it be commercially produced or an everyday object. Hope you guys get different ideas for your small garden and get different ideas. Thank you.